situation still remains grim. Several landslides have been reported all across this entire highway over here. I'll just try and show you in the visuals over here. Just a few moments ago, this entire landslide has happened over here. In fact, stones are still falling from this exact location, and hence it is becoming very, very difficult for the rescuers to actually reach on ground zero. In fact, even at this point in time as well, the stones are coming down. You can see that how dangerous this entire situation has turned out to be over here on ground zero, and you can imagine how difficult it is getting for the rescuers to actually reach on ground zero and then carry out the rescue work. Apart from this, if you look at the weather that is present over here, the weather that can be seen over here, this weather is absolutely inclement, which means that no helicopters, no rescue helicopters can actually reach on ground zero as well. So definitely, even as we are speaking, there is a sudden rain of stones that is coming down from all these mountains. Even in this mystic view, you can imagine the kind of travesty that has happened over here. This is the condition that has been seen all across the road that reaches over here to Uttarkashi. Even over here, you can see the kind of landslides that have continuously been happening. Big stones, heavy stones are continuously falling from these mountains, damaging the roads, flooding the roads, taking away the roads, and hence it is a massive challenge for the rescuers.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.